Hi, welcome to part 2 of our video. So we just talked about thunder and lightning and how that causes physical effects in the environment around us. So the same thing happens with our thoughts. Our thoughts are little tiny bursts of lightning in our minds. And it's really fun to think of them that way because you have often seen, I'm sure, the visual of a light bulb going off over someone's head when they have a great idea. The electricity has generated. Lightning has struck. The thought has been created in an energetic state. So when we have that thought, we have created matter. Because electricity is matter. It's composed of electrons, which have matter. So our thoughts have matter. They are matter. They do matter. Our thoughts create an energy. Our thoughts create things in an energetic sense before we ever receive them. So, your thoughts, let's take a look at them. Do you have control over your thoughts? Are you a master of your own mind? Can thoughts come to you unbidden? Absolutely. What are you going to do with them? What energy are you going to create? What thoughts are you going to generate? For example, if you create the thought, I'm too poor, I can't afford, I don't have enough, what are you creating? Lack. You're creating not enough. You're creating self-poverty. Because you're saying, I'm too poor. I can't afford it. I don't have enough. So what would happen if you changed your thought process? What would happen if instead of saying, I'm too poor, saying, I have enough. I live in abundance. I am wealthy. I am rich. What energy does that create? What electric charge does that give? What are you sending out to the planet? What vibration are you bringing? We know that everything has a natural frequency. If you want to see that in action, go look up the Tacoma Narrows Bridge collapse on YouTube. It's fascinating, the power of energy, the power of vibration, and the concept that you can control that. You control the energy and vibration around you. And depending on how powerful that is, you can create an energy and a vibration around you whose boundaries are bigger. The more powerful your energy and vibration, the farther reaching it is. If you have a positive energy and a positive vibration, you're going to create a positive energy and a positive vibration around you and around those that interact with you. So create that. Be a conscious creator of what is around you. Create that positive energy. Create that positive vibration. Your mind matters. Your thoughts are matter. Okay, have an awesome day, you guys. Rock the planet, change the world. We'll see you next time.